fucking badass cars out here. Oh, GTO, huh? Look at the Camaros, bro. The Chevelle. It's a real Chevy right there. Look at that one.
What is that supposed to mean? You're
Look,
making all the other ones seem like crap, yeah.
look at that shit. Badass Camaro. Damn, look at this one. Big ass blower on it.
Armor fish.
Oh, that's bad, look. TNT. Damn, look at the original paperwork and everything. I like how these look.
Hey, Jordan. Thanks.
Those badass cars right there.
The Pacer was around. Oh, that was like.
Oh, that's the Trans Ams. Those are Dad's favorites right there.
Two of them.